The 20-pack 200-cell seed starter tray kit is a standout choice for anyone serious about gardening, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional grower. This kit includes 20 trays, each with 200 individual cells, measuring 2 by 2 by 2 inches. One of the major highlights of this product is its eco-friendly design. The trays are made from 100% natural, biodegradable pulp and plant fiber. This means that not only are you getting a high-quality seed starter, but you're also making a positive impact on the environment. Once the seedlings are ready for transplanting, you don't need to worry about transplanting shock. The peat pots degrade naturally, allowing the roots to grow freely without damage. This minimizes potential stress on the plants and helps them adjust seamlessly to their new environment. Another thoughtful feature is the inclusion of 200 white label markers. These small but useful tags help keep track of your different plant varieties and ensure that you can easily identify each one. The breathable material of the pots promotes healthy root growth and prevents the common issue of roots becoming tangled or distorted. Overall, the 20-pack 200-cell seed starter tray kit offers excellent value with its combination of functionality, environmental benefits, and user-friendly features. If you're looking for a reliable and sustainable way to start your plants, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.